It is the morning of October 24th, and we're seeing some signs of life here on Bitcoin and also altcoins just before CPI inflation data releases in about 5 minutes. So we'll do another update right after I put out this video. But as of right now, let's start with Bitcoin, and then we'll take a look at the total three, so the overall altcoin market. So Bitcoin right now, it is getting a boost upwards off of the 200-day exponential and the 200-day simple moving average. That's what we want to see. We're back into our channel, the blue lines here, and also above our yellow line of previous support and the 12-day exponential moving average. These are good initial signs that, hey, if we get a positive CPI inflation report and that's enough to boost the market, which hasn't really affected the markets in the most recent releases because inflation's not too important anymore for the odds of us getting rate cuts. It's more so focused on the jobs market, but we haven't been getting any macroeconomic data, so this is the only data the market has to react to. So there might be an extra weight to it. Either way, you know, if we can get a good reaction today and get above some key exponential moving averages, we will be sitting pretty to actually get the bullish scenario we have been talking about, which is that weekly candle close above the 21-day exponential moving average, which is right now sitting at $110,900. If we can get a weekly candle close on that key exponential moving average while we're oversold, there is a real honest to God chance of this right here having been the bottom and that we could actually start to have a rally here. If we close below that though, the odds of us falling to $100,000 to $98,000, it's very, very high. And we're also starting to see, as we talked about yesterday, a potential bottom indicator in the altcoin market. Because on the total three, which shows the market cap of all altcoins minus Ethereum, so Bitcoin's not included in this either, this is an indicator of the true risk on part of the market. We have this rounding bottom that we pointed out the other day, where you have a lower low that's not too much of a lower low, a sign of bearish momentum weakening, and then a higher low here, and you have this rounding bottom, this movement of momentum from bearish into bullish, right? And this also is happening while holding the 200-day exponential moving average. We had a wick below it, but we did not have a daily candle close below it. That's very, very, very important. This is a very significant pattern. So if the market can continue higher, and I would just feel really comfortable if we could get above the 12-day, the 21-day exponential moving averages today, just that would make me feel really good that this is in fact a rounding bottom and that altcoins are about to recover. However, we need to see how today's daily candle goes. And just like with Bitcoin, we want to see the weekly candle close here, close above the 21-week exponential moving average sitting right at $1 trillion. And the financial incentives in the market are still to generally go lower. Large leverage positions, there are more liquidations lower down. And liquidation positions of any leverage size, the financial incentive of the market is lower down, but it is pretty even. That is the update for the day. Hope you have a good day. Do good things. Be good people. Make a bunch of money.